Hey guys, welcome back to TRS 2K16 Forever. As always, I'm your girl Rina, back at it again with another video for today. So as by the title of this video, you guys should already know I will be doing my ultimate favorite Shea Moisture hair products and my least favorite Shea Moisture hair products. So let's get in the video. First things first, this is the Shea Moisture Black Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner with shea butter, peppermint, and apple cider vinegar. I got the bonus size. I got this from my local beauty supply store. This was about $12 because they had it on the sale. As you can tell, I mostly use it a lot. It is kind of liquidy, but it smells so good. This is my leave-in conditioner, so once I'm done washing my hair, I just take a little bit, slap it around, and put it all over my hair. Since I have done a big chop, which I have not done a video about that yet, but since I have done a big chop, I have used only Shea Moisture's Strengthen and Restore Leave-In Conditioner, and I also use my Coconut and Hibiscus Curl Enhancing Smoothie. Now this one is with silk protein and neem oil for thick and curly hair. Now as you guys can see, I actually did use these two products in my hair today, which is why my hair is super curly and is super thick. My hair is growing. Like I said, it's been about 1.5 years since I've cut my hair all the way off, and these products are like the bomb.com put together. Now with this, it smells super I know I just got high off that. It smells so good. Don't do drugs, kids. But this one smells super good. It has like a lot of good enriching nutrients for my hair. My hair loves this stuff. I got this for $9.99 in my local beauty supply store. You can find these at your local beauty supply store or Walmart, Sally's, almost anywhere you look, or even online on SheaMoistures.com. You can find it. Now this smoothie, you wash your hair. Well, for me, when I wash my hair, I usually just part it into different sections, and then I take some and I put it around because it's very thick. So because it's so thick and it's kind of liquidy at the same time, you don't want to put so much, because when you put it on, it will go on as white, but then it'll, once you keep massaging it, it'll fade out. So those two products are two of my favorites. Now number 3, this is the Raw Shea Butter Deep Treatment Mask. I got this from Walmart. It was like $10. This is with sea kelp and argan oil for dry and damaged hair. Heal, grow, and strengthen. Now this one I don't really like so much, and the reason why is because I feel like my hair, like when my hair is dry and damaged, like I can use something different besides that. But with this one, I feel like it doesn't really go on and apply as it should, or it makes my hair like drink it up as it should. So I'm kind of reluctant to keep using this one, but I've seen a lot of great things about this. As you can tell, it's not so runny like the other ones, and I barely used it. But I only used it when I if I bleach my hair. That's when I used it. Like if I was to put color in my hair, I would then put the deep treatment mask in, just to give it some type of moisture. Now on to the next. The next one I have is the Manuka Honey and Mafura Oil Intensive Hydrating Hair Mask by Shea Moisture. Got this from Walmart as well. This was like $12. It has African rock fig and baobab oil. I think I said that wrong, but oh well. Let's open it up. Oh, brand new. Actually, no, I used it once, I think, because I see my hair in there. Duh. But it smells so good. Now this is a very intensive hydrating mask. When I use this mask, I usually wash my hair first. I take sections off. I make sure I comb it with my big tooth comb, section it off while I'm in the shower, and then I just take my hands, put it around, put it in each section, then I put a plastic cap on it, and I let it sit for about 30 minutes to an hour, depending on how much hydration that I need. The last treatment I have is Black and Castor Oil Strengthen and Restore Treatment Mask. It's the same stuff that's in the leave-in conditioner. So basically, most of the time when I'm doing my hair and I wash my hair like on a Sunday, I would do this treatment mask and I would put this leave-in conditioner as a follow-up. just to make sure that my hair is getting restored. It's having all of those strengthening amenities that's going on. So when I wash my hair, because my hair is so thin, and because this gives it like a good texture, and that's what I want. I want my hair to have a good silky texture when I put it on, because if I put it on, I feel knots in my hair, then it's not all the way applied. So I use this when I'm in the shower. It smells just like the other one. It smells super good. It has the same amenities in it, like same products in it, like I said, from the leave-in conditioner. So I usually follow up from my hair mask to my leave-in conditioner and my curl smoothie, and just work it all in. Now, the shampoo that I have been using thus far is the Shea Moisture Coconut and Hibiscus Curl and Shine Shampoo with protein and neem oil, moisturizes the defined thick and curly hair. Now, this shampoo has defined my curls. It has moisturized it. It has kept it from frizzing. I barely use this shampoo because I don't want to overly put so much stuff in my hair. So sometimes I would do a co-wash, or I would definitely just use my shampoo depending on how I'm feeling that day. If I know I'm going to do a deep treatment, I would use a co-wash instead of a shampoo. So thus far, this curl shampoo, it smells the same way like the curl smoothie does. Now with this shampoo, I usually try to, it's kind of hard to say, because I usually try to maintain my curls by using curl defining products. If it's not curl defining products, then I probably won't use it, because I'm trying to revert my curls back to the way they used to be, since I've done a post chop. So because now I'm trying to get my curls popping and back to the way it used to be. It's so much harder. So now I'm trying to find the stuff that actually makes my hair really, really, really feel good. So with that being said, I know there's other Shea Moisture products that's out there for your hair, but I have not tried any of them yet besides these. I know there's like a 3-in-1, there's like a fuchsia bottle, another one, but I know definitely Shea Moistures really does help natural hair, chemical processed hair, and dry hair. You know, thin hair, whatever kind of hair you have, is definitely good on 4C hair. It's good on curly hair, straight hair. You know, there's different products for Shea Moistures, and thus far I am very satisfied with the Shea Moisture products that I have, except for the deep raw shea butter like I just showed you guys. So with that being said, let me know if there's any other Shea Moisture products that's really good on curly hair to really define your curls. If you guys can find those and let me know, that would gladly appreciate it, because I am trying to get my hair back to the way it was. I will be following up after this video with my ultimate favorite deep conditioner that actually helps my hair. With that being said, like this video, thumbs it up, share, tell a friend about us, and don't forget, I'm Rina from TRS. See ya.